Welcome back to the vlog. So yesterday I got a lot done. Wasn't really feeling too awesome, but today I'm feeling a lot better. The shop is a wreck, and I know it. It makes me really sad, but almost done painting the table. I got to get the legs done. That's going to be a bit of an annoyance, but I'm going to make a trash run, so I need to get some of my trash thrown away here. And so I think one of the reasons I was feeling kind of bad yesterday is because it has been, sorry, I was out at the car earlier and a big wolf spider was on my ankle. It freaked me out. I only went to the gym 3 times last month because of all of our travels and work and stuff. And I feel down because of that. So today I'm gonna go to the gym, take the trash, take ram pump orders, and maybe go pick up some stuff at my shipping location. But anyway, should be a fun day. Oh, ram pump supplies come in these bags, and they tend to pile up here. Just got back from the gym, a much needed workout. It's been about a month since I really had a good workout, and I was weak. Well, I got a few packages in the mail here. One of the one I was waiting on was this one. Let's go over here and get this out. Bam, this is a 3/4 inch steel bar, rolled bar, and that's going to be used as the axle of my cart, my ATV cart. Should be nice and strong there, so that's going to be fun. Maybe we can get to that this afternoon. I also got in the hat boxes. Big thanks to everybody that has purchased a hat. Your order will be out very soon, and if you haven't purchased a hat yet, link in the description. And also I got another box here, which is going to be just a review. It's a company I've used before, the Tech, and they have some really high quality light bulbs. So I don't think I quite needed 48 inches, but I have to cut it down some. Alright, so the main thing I want to check here is that this tire does fit on here. Oh yeah, perfect fit there. So that's exactly what I needed for this cart. And I've got some washers that I'll put on there to keep it from bouncing around, but let's see how well this does up next to the cart here. I don't know, maybe 48 inches is just what I need. Nope, too big. So yeah, you can see it'll have to be cut down some here, but I think it's going to look really nice when it gets installed. Normally I can say I am pretty good at judging whether I'm good or bad at something, and I can definitely say I am not good at painting. I've painted lots of things in my life, and normally I'm not happy with the way it turns out. So when Ashley asked that I paint the kitchen table, it's like, alright, you asked for it. But it's turning out alright so far. So both of our dogs have Maltese in them, and their hair never stops growing. And so at least every other month, if not every month, I'm going to try and keep them trimmed so that they don't burn up here in the summertime. So that's what I'm going to do right now, is go ahead and start getting Wally trimmed here. I believe I'm going to try and get to the cart so that I can get it fixed up. Now, whenever I move this lawnmower, I should be able to just move the handles up and give it a push here. May have to disengage the wheels down here. Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. Maybe a little bit more here. Okay. Now I can pull this out and hopefully find out what I need as far as length for this axle here. I've been working on this cart now for who knows how long. Definitely excited to actually get it finished so I can start using it. It's the next day and I have just completed the ATV cart with the new wheel and axle, and I think it is ready to go do some work. So let's head down here to the edge of the hill and start doing some work. So one of the reasons I made this cart is for stumps like this. Something I don't want to put in the back of my car, but it still needs to be moved away from here because I intend on being able to mow all of this at one point or at some point. So anyway, I'm going to move this over to the trailer and we'll haul it off. Some stumps might be a two-person job. Let me see if this is one of them. That's the problem with the dump cart. I wonder if I could use this dump cart option to my advantage. Wasn't too bad. Well, that should make a pretty good first test of this cart. So far it's doing well. Just about to drive down the first load here for the cart test, and Ashley texted and needs some help with Emma, so we'll leave this here for the time being. I was checking to see how low the tire is. I mean, it's low, but it's not terrible, so I think the tire just needs some air in general. So I may bring the pump back down whenever I come back down here for helping Ashley out. So let's head back up the hill. Sometime soon, maybe even this month, I plan on having a burn pile, but for today I'm just going to dump these off here so that I can mow up top, hopefully. So I figure the cart and the wheels did pretty good for this much weight. Probably wouldn't put much more than this on here. This was the beast here. Not sure how much it weighs. I figure this is a great example of why I built this into a dump cart. Let's see how well it works. There we go. Nicely done. Are you loving your ball? Ball? Oh yeah, that's all yours. I hate buying this stuff, but it sure is effective. Come back this way. Check out my Walmart haul from today. I had a dad gift card from Walmart, so I got another set of blinds. I got some weather stripping for the bottom of the workshop doors, air filters, Ziploc bags, various hose adapters here, which should be fun, and some yogurt. And sadly, I did buy a gallon of Roundup because I want to clean up the grass and stuff that's growing in the road there. Emma, come back. Come this way. Pardon me, I have to go run down a youngin'. Buying a ball for Emma was a really big hit. She is loving this thing.
Kick it!
Whoa, good kick. Wow.
Here comes Emma. She's going to go up and then I'll slide. Yeah, Emma's having a hard time getting up. And Blanket's going to slide. Very high. You going to go again?
Can I show you how high I can go?
Come on.
Can I show you how high I can go? Can I show you how
We've just had a 4th of July supper at my sister and brother-in-law's house, and we're just possibly waiting for some fireworks. It's about 8 o'clock now, but just having fun on the backswing. Thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. I will see you next week for another exciting episode. Bye.
Is Piper over there? Yeah.
With Keith.
Piper, what if there's a snake out there?
Oh my gosh, that's so snake. Is one of those snakes out there?
It's cooling off. There's some back over that way.